काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम चलो ऐसे कि निशान बन जाए। कि काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम चलो ऐसे कि निशान बन जाए। यहाँ ज़िंदगी तो हर कोई जी लेता है, ज़िंदगी जियो इस कदर की मिसाल बन जाए। Wonderful good afternoon to all of you. I am Vijay, I belong to Bhadwa Samansi. I am 7th standard. I am a student of ECL, and today I am going to tell you about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar full name was Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, and he took birth on 14 April 1891 in a Madhya Pradesh small village, and he was so deep interested in studying in a childhood, and he have lots of degrees, and he knew the 9 languages, and he gave us the Constitution of India. And by writing our Constitution, it takes 2 years 11 months 18 days. And I wanna tell an example in his childhood example. Once when he and his big brother were going to school, and when they reached there, the students started making fun of them and started saying that who is holding a stick and grassing the buffalo's cows, what he will catch the pen. And in childhood his mother got death. In this situation, who's he tell his problem? But one day he dared to tell his father, and after listen his father got them admission and other school. However, admission was not so easy, but they went in that school. There was also like that condition that you aren't as well. Whenever they ask any question, so they said that you aren't as well, what will you do? That all answer, no mention how much you will study, you will remain under us. And then he again told to his father, and in this chance his father brought them in a Mumbai. In Mumbai, room was so small, they had to sleep time by time. And he took admission Elphinstone High School, and result, and he gave in 1907 he gave the matriculation examination, and he got first rank in a class. And now the tortoise is staring at him, and he proved that if your goal is good, nothing can stop you. And he always try to remove that how much problem I have gotten, no one should be got. And he always said that never fight about caste, that your caste is big and your caste is small. But people are not understanding, because very soon, I don't know village name, in that village one boy drink water in which sir was drinking, and sir beat that boy, and after beaten by sir, the boy got death. And I think that's why he was saying that never fight about caste. पढ़ना है तो लड़ना पड़ेगा, लड़ना है तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा। किताबें तो बहुत सारी पढ़ी है आपने, अपना हक और अधिकार जानने के लिए संविधान पढ़ना पड़ेगा। कर गुजर गए वो भीम थे, दुनिया को जगाने वाले भीम थे। कर गुजर गए वो भीम थे, दुनिया को जगाने वाले भीम थे। हमने तो सिर्फ इतिहास पढ़ा, इतिहास बनाने वाले भीम थे।